It was in the year 1982 that I first came under the influence of Swami Vivekananda, the great patriot monk of India. Two of his books, His Call to the Nation and To the Youth of India, changed my life. In the year 1984, along with a group of young, like-minded medical students in the Mysore Medical College, we founded the Swami Vivekananda Youth Movement. In 1987, we first came to work with the tribals living in the Bandipur National Park along the banks of the river Kabini in the western Ghats of Mysore.
Healthcare was the doctor's prime concern. This was also their inherent strength and entry point into the community. The doctors moved into the colony to stay there full time. The tribal song, rituals and lifestyle became part of their learning. This new life taught them lessons that colleges would never teach. Displaced twice, thrust suddenly into a new environment, exploited and marginalized time and again, the tribals were struggling to cope with the tsunami of modern influences. They understood that health, education and socio-economic empowerment should go hand in hand to achieve sustainable developmental impact. The efforts of SVYM has helped them adapt to the new dynamics and devise a mid-path, retaining their old lifestyles and imbibing the best of the new. As their services became popular, local support and encouragement grew. Soon, in 1990, the Vivekananda Memorial Hospital, Kenchanahalli was born. A well-equipped hospital which catered to the tribals and non-tribals in that area. A natural expansion to cater to a larger area was the Vivekananda Memorial Hospital at Sargur, a multi-speciality secondary care center which became a reality in 1998. This hospital too was built on foundations stronger than mere brick and mortar. The local community support and participation. The 70-bedded hospital provides 24/7 care and offers specialist services in obstetrics, internal medicine, orthopedics, pediatrics, pathology, ophthalmology, ENT, psychiatry and dentistry. Both hospitals also have full-fledged Ayurvedic and Panchkarma sections and have developed a unique blend of Western and Indian systems of medicines, combining the best of both for the benefit of the patients. Going beyond providing good medical care at the hospitals, SVYM reached out to the community. The Mobile Health Unit takes medical care to the doorsteps of inaccessible tribal colonies. The institution has well-defined interventions in the sectors of water, sanitation, environment and energy, community-based rehabilitation, reproductive and child health, tuberculosis and community-based health insurance. The vitamin A supplementation program implemented with the government reaches out to millions of children in all districts of Karnataka. The innovative approaches in HIV/AIDS, which envisage a continuum of care covering the entire spectrum from awareness generation to AIDS treatment and rehabilitation, have been acclaimed and adopted by various other agencies.